I haven't shown this to you guys yet. I guess I kind of briefly showed it to you guys in one of the last videos, but I got a fully custom guitar spec'd out. Little backstory on it. Last year, I went 30 days without drinking for the first time in a long time. I told myself if I made it, I would spec myself out a custom guitar. So I got this Kiesel. Master grade quilt, pale moon ebony fretboard, black lemba body. Really sick. Also today, Jaren thinks she's coming over just to either drive the car or like change the oil. So I'm gonna teach her how to do that. But she doesn't know that I have an exhaust for her. So she's gonna install an exhaust. I know you guys have been really wanting it to be loud. So I bought her an exhaust. We're just gonna install it, see what it sounds like. Hopefully it's not too ricey, too loud, because Miatas sound terrible. What doesn't sound terrible is this little lick that I wrote. I want you guys to hear it. That's it. Let's go have some fun. For those of you interested, the rain has finally, where's wood, come to a little bit of a halt. It's been sunny for the past couple of days, so that's given me a huge break. But I was up at 4, 5 a.m. some mornings, sweeping water out and making sure my pumps and stuff are on. But hopefully we're on the downhill now. June's just around the corner, and it never rains in June. So just a little update for you guys. Been driving this thing around, absolutely love it. This thing is a neck breaker. Like, I have never driven a car where I've gotten so many serious looks. Also, Bertha works super well. We're gonna give her a paint job. She does real well cleaning, way faster than the one that I rented. But I believe Jaren's here. Oh shoot, let's go boys. The wide body Focus. Hey, let's get a little life update. People miss you on the channel. What's been going on with you, sis? That's your update on Jaren. Guys, about to graduate high school. Hey, does your boyfriend know how to change oil?
I assume so. You just broke so many guys' hearts. Admitting that she has a boyfriend right now.
If your boy has to call AAA to get his tire changed on the side of the road, he's gone. No more. No more. He's not allowed no more. All right, today I'm gonna teach you how to change your oil.
Whoa!
What?
Cool.
Oh, the AMG, you like that? Oh yeah, there's Bertha too. You like that? Yeah, you wanna scrub some floors while you're here? I'll put you to work.
Did you like get that for yourself?
Oh yeah, I just bought it. I bought it because it looked fun.
How much do those things cost?
More than a Miata.
Really?
We're going to the Miata. I'm gonna teach you a few things, Jaren. For one, how to change your oil, and for two, we're gonna bleed your brakes. Your brakes and your clutch have hydraulic fluid in it, and it's good to like bleed it out. Basically, you take this little thing right here, hook it up to an air compressor, and it just goes, and all you gotta do is make sure that the fluid stays full. Yeah. All right, you see that big tall funnel over there standing up by the toolbox? Oh. Wheel her over here.
She's really thick.
Yeah, she is pretty big. Watch the paint, watch the paint. There you go.
Whoa.
So oil changes are super easy. The only thing you have to do is drain the old oil and then put the new oil in. Oh yeah, that's fiberglass. that's when I yeeted your bumper trying to get it onto the trailer. So this right here, that's your oil drain plug. Actually, why'd you wear white? You really wore white to be in a shop?
I have another shirt in my car.
We should probably, I think Victoria might have an extra black shirt, so we should probably get you a new shirt. Nice, give me a little spin. R34, ooh, that's a nice shirt. Oh, okay. Now, you're gonna get this sucker.
This is scary.
Okay, so you're gonna get the bolt. You're going to be lefty loosing it, but you're gonna be like pressing the bolt inward. So like when it's all the way loose, it's still like plugged a little bit. I don't know, I kind of just want to watch you do it, so.
That's not nice. I'm scared. What if it just like splashes in my face?
It's not gonna hit your face,
like
but.
I'm stuck. Like you need smaller gloves.
I remember my first time doing this, it was really funny. It's always a good experience. You have to do it. You gotta make sure you're pressing the bolt in or it's just gonna.
I am, but I don't know.
Alright, it's getting close, it's getting close.
Will I know when it's
yeah, you'll definitely know.
I'm scared.
Go. Alright, let it go, pull it away and keep the bolt in your hand. Pull it away. Ready? Pull it towards you now. There you go, nice. Ooh, look at that oil.
Ew.
Nice.
Ew. It sounds like it's peeing.
It is peeing. So the other thing is you have the oil and then you also have a filter, an oil filter that like filters out the nasties. And I don't exactly remember where they are on the Miatas. Hold your hands up. That's your oil filter.
What if I drop it?
Well, don't drop it.
I almost did.
So all you do is you screw it on and off. You want to put a little bit of oil around this little area right here. But you just do that. You screw it back on as tight as you can with your hands. You don't ever want to like torque it. Well, it just fell, so.
Well, I mean, it works. Do you need a flashlight?
No, I dropped it.
Your arms are just gone.
Oh. Oh.
What?
Oh.
What?
Oh.
You doing it?
Yes, sir. Now, you just gotta fill it up with oil,
How you did?
and it's good.
Where'd it?
That little oil cap right there.
Oh.
4 quarts, right into that baby.
What happens if you miss?
It gets messy. Oh, oh, yep, yeah, okay. I'm trying to focus really hard so we don't continue to. I'm so glad you're entertained here. All right, that's probably getting pretty close. Oh!
Was that exact?
Literally first try.
That's all. I'm impressed. I'm very. Oh.
Oil change.
Oh.
There's no O or I, it's just a U and then 2 L's. Oh.
Oh.
I'm gonna change my O. So the idea is to not ever do that. And usually you can use a funnel, but I didn't because I'm a pro. Obviously, I'm a doctor. Car doctor? I'm a doctor.
Whoa.
And you're done. That's your oil change. That's how you change your oil.
Oh. I feel like. I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna get off of it.
Yeah, you get the big boy. You good up there? Oh, nice J's. Look at that.
Thanks.
We're gonna get you some booties. Little booties to put on those just so I don't get. Look at this, guys. We just bled her slave cylinder. Ugh, nasty. All right, so we have bled the brakes. Now it shouldn't be sketchy at all. It should drive really well. How was that? How was your first experience bleeding brakes, clutch, and changing oil?
It's hot.
One more thing. Let's see. All right, open this up.
What is that?
That's what we're gonna install today. Okay, this is straight tetanus, so don't cut yourself. That's what happens when your shop floods and things get wet. Open this bad boy up.
What is it?
What's in here? So for me, this helped me learn drive manual.
What?
I'm not gonna give it away, but you really think I'd have you come all the way out here just to change your oil?
Yes.
Oh, why don't you get it out?
What is it?
Pull it out. I don't know. You pull it out and tell me.
I'm so confused. Whoa. Wait, whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, look at that. That's kind of sick, no?
Whoa.
What is that? What is this?
Thanks, Snazzy. Well, I'm excited. Wait,
You know what it is, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay. She's been talking about making one of her cars louder since she first got her Focus. And so I was like, you know what? You guys have been begging for an exhaust on this car. I figured I might as well get her something. So this will make it sound pretty decent. The thing about Miatas is they sound like crap. They really sound bad if you make them too loud. So this should be a really tame, really cool sounding exhaust for the car.
This is so cool.
Yeah, I hope it fits well.
Whoa.
You ready to install an exhaust?
Yeah. I don't know how to.
It's literally just
learn.
bolt some stuff together and unbolt some the stock stuff.
It's so shiny.
This is actually really cool. I like this little
shiny.
teeny, look at this mini muffler. I've never seen one this small. Little
Oh.
teeny in-one style. Like this is tiny. Oh, and it's even got a silencer in it, so if it's too loud, this little muffler, this little thing right here makes it go.
Whoa.
So yeah, that little thing unbolts and it makes it louder.
This is exciting.
Yep.
That was exciting.
So that big thing right there, that's called a muffler. Quite literally muffles it and makes it quieter. This right here is called a resonator, and what that does is it changes the pitch of the exhaust, so it's not like tinny and gross sounding. So you have two things in the exhaust that change the sound, resonator, muffler. So you have one resonator and two, I don't even know if that counts as a muffler, it's teeny tiny. I've had this for over a month. That's why I've been trying to get you to come over.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at my reflection in it. I mean, I look goofy, but it's okay.
You look funny as hell. Here you go. Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas.
I'm as shiny as it right now.
Make a tuba noise.
How do you make a
Go like,
tuba noise?
brr.
There's so many smells going on right now.
Crazy world, lots of smells. There you go.
Whoa.
One down.
How many to go?
3.
Oh.
One more. I've had an exhaust fall on my head before. It's really not fun. Oh, yeah.
Should I be scared?
It's gonna drop onto the brace right here.
So how did it fall onto your head?
It was heavy.
Okay.
And I did a bolt and it fell on my head.
Did it hurt?
Oh yeah.
Did you need to take a break?
Yes.
Did you just quit for the day after that?
I did not quit, but I took a
You
very long break.
probably should have.
I took a long break.
You should have just left everything where it is and just stopped. I think I would. I can't stop thinking about an exhaust falling on your head. That sounds horrible. This is like years ago? Please don't say it was recent.
This happened like 2 months ago.
Seriously?
It was on Victoria's Mercedes.
I'm so sorry.
So much pain.
Whoa. Oh! Oh! Oh my god. That scared me.
Now imagine that happening on your head.
That sounds horrible.
Look at this ugly chunk. Look how small the piping is. Maybe 2-inch pipe. So then you got this Johnny right here. Now actually is the easy part. We just have to put the exhaust back into the hangers where it came from and bolt it back up and then they're done.
Sounds simple.
Like what? Hello?
They
just built the longest possible hanger. It just doesn't do anything. Don't listen to what I'm saying. Gotta do what you gotta do.
Are you losing it?
Huh?
Are you losing it?
I'm Beetlejuice green. I'm Beetlejuice. Oh, okay.
What just happened?
It broke off.
That doesn't sound good.
A few moments later.
I'm so mad we didn't film that. Okay, so I broke off the stud. Then I used a special clamp. Clamped it down. Then I got like 2 threads on it with a new hardware. And so it's fine now. Let's go. That's amazing. That's the best work I've ever done right there. You hear those lawnmowers outside? That's what you're about to sound like. That's what you're yeah, you're about to sound like a lawnmower.
Where do I go? Help. Whoa, I can see myself. Ew, this is weird.
You get to, oh, that's loud. You get to film me trying to get this thing off the lift. Woo, sheesh. You want me to do it?
It's borderline slipping off, but it's
Probably
fine.
goes great.
It's okay. What?
I told you it was gonna work. Haters. All of you.
You can't blame me. That looks horrible. Oh my god.
I was like, why is it so quiet? Because it's got this little doofy thing in here. Hold up.
What happens if you take it out?
You go loud. Uh-oh. Nope, wrong way.
Whoa.
That's why it was quiet. Now.
Now what's it gonna sound like? Whoa.
That sounds better.
Okay, I like that. I like that a lot.
I was like, it sounded kind of like a tin can earlier.
It actually, so it was kind of an inexpensive exhaust. It actually looks pretty cool. Dude.
It's so cool.
I think at first Jaren was like, this is kind of lame.
I didn't think it was lame. I don't think it's cool no matter what.
I was wondering, we've had one of these similar things sitting around for like years.
For my Evo.
Is that what it was from?
Yeah.
And I was like, what is this?
So obviously they do a lot. By the way, when you drive it, it's gonna be stinky. It's burning out some
Did you
stuff in the
fart in it?
muffler. You like it? You like how it sounds?
Yes, I love it.
It's like a little louder than stocks, which is good. Nobody should ever make a Miata loud. I know there are dudes watching this right now, they're like, that's crap. No, unless they have a turbocharger. They also make unequal length exhaust manifolds, which sound really good, but also just keep it tame. It looks good though. I think that was the weird thing. the back end of the car looked kind of poopy. It looked kind of sad.
It was so small.
Yeah.
But now we got this nice burnt tip goodness back here that's probably gonna burn the bumper.
I mean, do you have a race car? I mean, a modified car.
I like that. That is really cool. Get in there, and give me a little eensy rev. I want to hear it.
I've never revved a car.
Actually,
No, it's her car. She has to do it.
press the guy, lift the throttle, just whoop.
No, you gotta go like. Vroom.
Oh, it sounds so cool.
What? That's baby.
Again.
It sounds so good.
There you go.
It sounds like Need for Speed. That's literally exactly like and like Need for Speed Underground 1, that's like what the Civic sounded like.
Yeah,
so
I
funny.
can see that.
It's like nostalgia. So like say something was weird with the slave cylinder, so this car had to go up and down about 5 times today. But we figured it out.
So,
I'm
did you do the oil?
Did the oil.
So you know how to change your oil. You can bleed your clutch now.
And the brakes. We bled the brakes.
And the brakes.
And installed an exhaust.
I think you're officially a car girl.
I'm gonna have way too much fun.
Good.
Good.
When you're
Maybe you
done-
should actually drive it
When
now.
you graduate, you'll take this and drive it all summer.
That's true, I will.
Use the summer to have fun with it. Harder. Harder. Like harder. All the way.
No! I'm scared. I can't stop.
Next time you come back, you're driving it. Well, you're gonna have to like get used to driving the stick again, but I've also got to teach you how to drive a low car. Because this car's a little lower than the one you currently drive. Even though your focus is pretty low. But everybody wants to see you drive it, okay? We'll pick a nice time of day, empty lot.
Okay.
She needs some encouragement. Give her some love.
Not harassment.
Yeah, you guys tend to harass her a little bit. She just needs the love. Did you have any idea that I was gonna surprise you with anything today? Let's go.
You've been sitting on that.
I've had this thing, I ordered this thing a little over a month ago. Kind of bummed because the box was on the floor when the shop flooded, but there was no mold in it, so we're good. And we fixed it. It's good. It sounds great, and you guys have been asking for an exhaust on the Miata for the longest time. That's right, baby. Next time you're here, I'll do a flyby. Full scream. I forgot to wrap up the video the other day. I've been busy with dealing with the flood. I've been busy with dealing with what feels like the second coming of Noah and the Ark. Still trying to get all this flood drained away. Still no word and no luck with my contractors. Again, I think I told you, but pretty sure, 99% sure he blocked my phone number. This has been my view for like a month. I hope you guys enjoyed another vlog with the sis. She's been super busy with school, so she hasn't been able to come through, but now she should be done. She should be graduating pretty soon. I'd like her to be in the vlogs a little bit more this summer. I'm gonna get her back soon. Over the summer, I would like her to drive this primarily. I definitely wanted to stop raining first before I give it to her, but she just hasn't had the time, and she needs a little bit more practice before she takes it home. Because it's loud in here, I'm gonna go to my office and I'll do daily advice in there. One of the most popularly requested things to talk about, as I know a lot of you guys are a little bit younger, I mean even if you're not younger, is relationships. And what I wanna tell you is, just from my perspective over the years, I'll start by saying like, stop trying to force. It's good to proactively seek out relationships. You know, it's good to have community. But if there's one thing I regret, it's trying so hard to make friends with a certain group of people, or trying so hard to fit in with such a, don't want to say a waste of time, but it really was. It took away from a lot of my life. Community is incredibly important, but sometimes you're not in the stage of life where you need community at this very moment. Sometimes what you need to be doing is working on yourself. If you can't be happy, if you can't be sufficient on your own, then you'll never be able to enjoy others' company, because you'll always be using somebody else as a crutch. You'll be bringing them down with you. If you want some basic friendship advice, spend your time around people that want you around as much as you want them around. But 2, sometimes right now isn't the time to put 100% effort into finding the girlfriend or finding the best friend group or whatever. Some stages of life are just figure yourself out and then wait, because you'll find somebody eventually. That's what I wanted to leave you guys with today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys next video. Make sure you're subscribed, have the notifications turned on so you can see when I upload. Peace out. Hey, I got 2 videos for you guys to watch. Helps me a ton if you watch them. Also, if you're subscribed, have the notifications on, does me a biggie. It helps. Bye.